Become healthy and fit following the Indian diet. The following week meal plan is a simple way to follow Indian weight reduction diet outline that can be followed for 7 days. Minor changes can be made to this according to a singular's taste. Monday. Breakfast, Sambar with 2 earthy colored rice idhis/paneer sandwich with mint chutney. Lunch, whole grain roti with blended vegetable curry and with 1 dal. Supper, tofu/chicken curry with blended vegetables and a new spinach salad/chicken sauce with 2 multigrain rotis. Tuesday. Breakfast, Hana dal flapjacks with blended vegetables and a glass of plant-based milk/bread and egg. Lunch, chickpea curry with earthy colored rice/brown rice with dal. Supper, khichdi with salad/veg paratha with raita. Wednesday. Breakfast, apple cinnamon porridge/vegetable uttapam with sambar. Lunch, whole grain roti with tofu/non-veg and blended vegetables. Supper, palak paneer with earthy colored rice and vegetables/2 multigrain rotis with chicken and curd. Thursday. Breakfast, yogurt with cut products of the soil seed/vegetable poha. Lunch, whole grain roti with vegetable sabzi/dal with veg or non-veg sabzi and earthy colored rice. Supper, hana masala with basmati rice and green serving of mixed greens/1 bowl of products of the soil with multigrain rotis. Friday. Breakfast, vegetable dalia and a glass of plant-based milk/3 to 4 dal patty with sambar. Lunch, vegetable sambar with earthy colored rice/2 multigrain roti with veg/non-veg curry. Supper, tofu curry with potatoes and blended vegetables/chicken curry with 2 multigrain rotis. Saturday. Breakfast, multigrain parathas with avocado and cut papaya/dal paratha with blended vegetables. Lunch, large serving of mixed greens with rajma curry and quinoa/1 bowl blended vegetable kadai. Supper, lentil hotcakes with tofu tikka masala/green plate of mixed greens with blended vegetables and multigrain roti. Sunday. Breakfast, buckwheat porridge with cut mango salad with a glass of plant-based milk. Lunch, vegetable soup with entire grain roti/1 bowl millet and dal khichdi with multigrain roti. Supper, masala heated tofu with vegetable curry/non-veg curry, chicken, fish, with multigrain roti. You can mix the recipes to make a meal plan for yourself. Just start eating this healthy diet and see how your body will lose weight and you start to feel more fit. Thank you for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos.